Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Warzone not launching on Battle.net so you can get into the game without crashes or errors. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can often stop the launcher from working properly. Next, open Battle.net and run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. After that, go to Warzone Settings and click Scan and Repair to fix any missing or corrupted files. You should also update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers can block game startup. Another important step is to disable overlays like Discord, Steam Overlay, or GeForce Experience because they can interfere with launching. Also, make sure your Windows system is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, clear Battle.net cache by deleting the cache folder in Program Data. Finally, restart your PC and try launching Warzone again, and it should work normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.